Welcome back, dear students. Today we are going to see some problems regarding division of fractions. So let's start it. Here in the first problem we are having division of the two mixed fractions. We will perform it. First of all, we'll convert them into improper one. Here 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. We need to divide it with this one integer 1 by 3, which is nothing but the 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Now, as per the steps and the rules of the division of the fraction, keep the first fraction as it is, and you need to flip the second fraction, that is 4 by 3 will turn into 3 by 4, and this division operation will turn into multiplication. So if it is possible, we'll try to simplify. If it is not there, you can simply take the product of numerator. Here 7 3s are 21, and here 4 2s are 8. We'll write here. This fraction again you can simplify if you want, otherwise you can leave it. Next is 4. We can write this whole number 4 as a 4 by 1. And then next we'll convert this mixed fraction into the improper one. We'll write 4 plus 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. And we'll solve it 4 by 1. Division operation will turn into multiplication. It will write 11 by 4. We need to invert it. It becomes 4 by 11. So now just simplify here. 4 4s are 16, 16 by 11. Again it is an improper fraction. You can write into the mixed fraction. You can write here 11 1s are 11. That is 5 by 11. So one integer 5 by 11 is the answer. Next, again both are the mixed fractions. We'll convert it. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 2, 16 by 7. Then we need to write here, again convert it into mixed one into the improper one. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. First fraction we'll write as it is, and we need to convert this division into fraction, that is multiplication. 5 by 3 will flip, we'll get 3 by 5. It is also not possible, so we'll just multiply numerators. 16 3s are 48, and we'll write 5 7s are 35. Then next is again 8. We need to multiply with 3. Again we'll add into the 7. So we'll write here 8 into 3. We need to add plus 7 divided by 8. Division 4 by 1. 8 3s are 24. That's, we need to add 7 into that. We'll get 31 divided by 8. And we'll do it 1 by 4. 31 1s are 31. 8 4s are 32 is the answer. This is a proper fraction here. Then we'll convert this one. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 4. 13 by 4. 9. Here we need to convert this 4 2s are 8 plus 1. 9 by 2. 13 by 9 we'll write as it is, and then we'll take the division operation as a multiplication, and then we'll flip it. Here we'll get 13 2s are 26 upon 9 9s are 81. So this is again proper fraction. We'll solve another example. Here we'll get 7 whole number as a 7 by 1. Division will write as it is. Here 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14 by 3 will write. So we can again flip this. We'll get 3 upon 14. Here you can simplify, friends. 7 1s are 7 2s are. We'll get 3 by 2. And 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 integer. 1 integer 1 by 2. Then we'll solve this one. Here we can get 2 5s are 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. Then we can get 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Do the same process. This division converts into multiplication. Flip it, it becomes 4 by 7. 13 4s are what we'll get? 52. And 5 7s are we'll get 35. Then We will solve this one. 3 3 is a 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Here we'll get 4 3 is a 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. 10 by 3, and this division will turn into multiplication, and here it will get 4 by 13. We cannot simplify, so just multiply the numerator. 10 4s of 40 will get, and here 13 3s will get 39. We can again take 39 ones are 39, 1 by 39. So these are the example of division of fractions. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.